Happy summer, everyone. I'm Tracy Dutton, and welcome to my backyard. Today, I would like to share with you our favorite Rosé Sangria recipe. Our family is enjoying the Rosé of Pinot Noir so much this summer, and we have made up a great little recipe to highlight the wine and the fruit flavors that we taste in our Rosé of Pinot Noir. First, we start with balling 3 cups of watermelon. Next, slice 3 cups of fresh strawberries. The strawberries are so wonderful and in season right now here in Sonoma County. Next, we'll add the Rosé of Pinot Noir to the fresh watermelon and fresh sliced strawberries. Now I'm going to put the lid on this and store it overnight in the refrigerator to get all of the great flavors. Once the Rosé of Pinot Noir has marinated with the fresh watermelon and fresh strawberries overnight, we add strawberry watermelon sparkling water and the lemon lime soda. When you're ready to serve, add ice. And I really like using mason jars. I think they're a really cute way to show the beautiful color of the Rosé of Pinot Noir and the fresh fruit. Pour the Rosé of Pinot Noir Sangria. Garnish with fresh strawberry, a fresh wild blackberry picked from the yard, and some fresh mint. Now we're ready to enjoy a summer fun day with the family by the pool. You can find the recipe online at DuttonEstate.com. You may also order the Rosé of Pinot Noir at DuttonEstate.com, or you may call us at 707-829-WINE for your curbside pickup if you're local here in Sonoma County. From my backyard to yours, cheers and happy summer.